Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Spotify account. So first of all, you're going to you cannot delete your Spotify account from the Spotify app, as you can see over here. There is basically no option for you to delete the Spotify account. It's just only a log out. So what you can do is that you're actually going to go onto any browser. For my case, I'm going to use Chrome. Now on Chrome, once you're going to search for Spotify Help Center. Once you search for Spotify Help Center, you're going to click on Support Spotify. Once you click on it, you're going to click on Account Help, okay? Once you're in Account Help, as you can see, I have a bunch of options. Now, I don't want any of these options. I want this category, which is called Account Settings. Once I am in the Account Settings, I'm going to pick the third option, which is Closing Your Account and Deleting Your Data. Once you click on it, as you can see now, you can go down, and then you're going to don't have premium. We're going to click Close Your Account and Delete Your Data. Okay, make sure you use it if you don't have premium. For my case, I don't have premium. If you got premium, you're going to click the option that has you got premium. Okay, once you click on that, you're going to have to sign in. Now, once I'm signed in, I'm going to click on Close Account, okay, and then it's going to show me my my account, okay. As you can see, you're going to click on Continue. Now, from your Continue, you're going to click on I understand and then Continue. Now, it's going to check your email, so once you check your email, you can from there proceed to close your account. So I'm going to open the email now. Once you're in the email, you're going to click on Close My Account. Once you click on it, okay, it's going to write for you all done. Now it's going to be you have only 7 days to, if you change your mind, if you want your Spotify account done, you only have 7 days to retrieve it. If you don't, then the Spotify account is deleted forever. So this is basically how you can delete a Spotify account. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.